Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about your home. Isn't it strange when we go for shopping, we go from one shop to another shop and suddenly pick up one piece or one object and think that it would look good at this particular corner of my home. What does this depict? We pick up that artifact and get it home. Your house, your office where you spend maximum amount of time reflects your mindset. So today I'm going to tell you what are the important things that you can keep at your home to make your home environment little better, beautiful, happier, calmer. First one is keep flying birds at your place. I love flying birds. So it could be in the form of artifact which comes like most of the time it is joined with a dish. If you have a dish and these are the birds, then the dish you can keep chocolates, some sweet, or maybe some painting, some drawing, anything, but keep flying birds at home. Flying birds denote growth. So it shows that you're ready or you're progressing. So keep it. Second is keep at your place butterflies, beautiful butterflies. Butterflies depict, it shows that you're ready for flying. You're ready for that change and yes, you want to fly. Whenever you're dull or sad or your life is boring at that moment, you always need to sit beside butterflies. Or if you have a butterfly pick at your home, you'll feel better at that particular corner or that particular place when you're feeling bored or dull. Just think about a time when a butterfly suddenly flies around you. Attention goes over there. Why? Because it carries that aura. It is chirpy, it is beautiful. You will leave your work, you'll just glance over there. That is the magic of butterfly at your home. Now, the third thing is keep Buddha at your place. Buddha is all about renunciation, but you need to keep this at northeast. Do not keep at any other place because it will bring detachment. How to keep Buddha is always we need to write our wishes. Like what do you want out of it? So behind the Buddha write, you want wisdom. You want peace in the house. You want happiness in the house. So this Buddha, when placed in northeast, will program your mind in such a manner that automatically you'll start working on it. Because northeast is all about your brains. It is the head of the body. So it is the head of the house. So you're keeping Buddha over there. So when you keep with an intention, you'll achieve that. Fourth and the last thing is keep swans at your place. It is also known as Hans. What are the swans? It is linked with Ma Saraswati. It is told that these swans have the power to remove, to absorb and put aside milk from milk. It will separate milk and water from milk. So it has the power of discrimination. Keep these in northeast. It will help you to pick up all the important things in life and eradicate, remove unnecessary things. When you start keeping this, you'll always take the best out of that situation and let go the rest. Use all these things in your life and see the change. Always remember, your house shows the mindset of a person. By just glancing carefully at somebody's house, we can understand the thought process and the mindset of that person. That's the reason over a period of time or after some years we change our home. We upgrade our thoughts, our likings, because our thought patterns change. I hope you have a happy home and a happy life. Thank you. Bye-bye.